Here's another way you can make a survey. So, what you do need is you need a Gmail account. I'm already logged in, so just log in and just Google Forms. So I'm gonna click on this, and then I'm gonna go to Google Forms. And since I'm already logged in, should be all good. And yeah, I have a lot of surveys here, but what you want to do is you want to do a blank one. Okay, so a blank survey. And then here you can write down whatever you want. So you can write, like I said last time, left-handedness versus, I don't know, GPA. And then I can make a little description about what I'm really looking for. So just like before, I can say, what is your gender? And then right next to it, it'll tell you, it'll give you options. And here, it'll also give you some sample options. So here, if you want to put multiple choice, if you want to do check boxes, I don't think you should do check boxes, but multiple choice. And then you can just write male, female, and then and you can put other if you want, or for not to say, doesn't matter. And it'll tell you choose another option, but I already did it. So this one, you can click on this plus button and it'll give you another one. So let's say I wanted to do, what is your age? What is your age? Notice that here it gave you multiple choice too, but you can change it up. So you can do, what would be a really good, you can just do short answer if you want, and then let them go ahead and put in the number. And then later on, you can go ahead and fix it. But yeah, this Google Forms is also really, really user friendly. You can put in whatever you want in here. And then after you're done, it's really, really easy to send it. So all you would just do is you can click on, you can click on send, right? And then you can click on this little thing and it'll give you a link. You can shorten the URL, and then this is what you would want to send everyone. So you would just control copy and then just post it on Facebook or Instagram or whatever you want to do. And then after you have sent it and you got responses, it'll show here what responses you got. So when you click on this, all you got to do is click on this Excel file. Because what it'll do, it'll go ahead and, let me show you one that I've already done. Let me show you one of my surveys. So let me just look at, this Mathletics End survey. You'll see here that for this one, I only got 4 responses. Okay, so I click on this. It gives you a couple of charts. I would not look at these because this is not very helpful. I would click on spreadsheet and then create. And then what it'll do, it'll put it as a Excel file. So here it'll tell you what those variables are. You can change these later, and then it tells you what the responses were. In order to do statistical analysis using StatCrunch, you will have to upload it onto StatCrunch, and I can help you out with that one. But that's basically it with these types of surveys. So you can either use the StatCrunch survey or using Google Forms. Okay.